In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Cash App loan limit for the borrow feature. In my previous video, I did a full tutorial for how to take out a loan using the borrow feature, so check that out if you want to learn more. This is just going to be how to increase your limits. So you can see right here that Cash App just messaged me that they've increased the limits. So I'm just going to tap into this. We're going to go to my home screen, and you can see that my limits were increased from $25 to $50. If we tap the little info icon here, it's going to tell us our limit. This is the total amount you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you pay off your loans, if you have any, how much money you deposited into Cash App and keep there. So I've seen people get loans as high as $750. The way that I was able to double my limits right away was I took out a loan and then I paid it back. So I literally took out a $20 loan and paid back $21 like 5 minutes later, and they doubled my limits. So if you want to quickly increase the amount of money you can take out for a loan, you want to start loans and then make sure you pay that back fully on time. This will build trust with Cash App and they'll give you larger limits. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.